Yeah, it is fantastic that the race comes to Kiel, to Germany. There's a legacy of the Ocean Race 2002 in Kiel, and I remember myself being there, so it's a moment I'm really looking forward to.
Kiel has quite a history within the race. So in 2002, Ilbrook won the last Ocean Race when they finished in Kiel, and yeah, you had the feeling you could walk over the water. A lot of spectators.
We're just coming through the most manic crowd. It's amazing to see how many people down here. Absolutely insane.
The plan is to pass the middle of the town of Kiel. So it's very narrow place with a lot of boats and flats. Very nice ambiance, but it's a little bit tricky when you are going at 23 or 25 knots in the middle.
Look how many boats. It's unbelievable.
It's crazy to see that many people. I mean, this boat is almost capsizing because all the people on the same side.
How awesome was that? We just came in and rounded the muck inside Kiel Harbour. There were so many people. We could see everybody out there. We could hear them cheering. Actually super amazing.